The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing APS-C cameras in recent memory. While the original R7 made waves by combining speed, reach, and advanced autofocus in a compact, versatile body, rumors suggest that Canon is preparing a far more ambitious update. At the center of attention is a potential 40-megapixel stacked sensor, a leap that could fundamentally change what photographers and hybrid creators expect from an APS-C camera. This is not just about adding resolution, it's about boosting readout speed, improving autofocus reliability, reducing rolling shutter, and enhancing burst and video performance simultaneously. APS-C has traditionally been considered a smaller alternative to full-frame cameras, but Canon has consistently treated it differently. The original R7 showed that APS-C can deliver professional quality results without compromise, appealing to wildlife photographers, sport shooters, and hybrid creators who need both high-speed performance and reliable autofocus. Now, with the rumored 40MP stacked sensor, the EOS R7 Mark II could take this philosophy further, giving photographers more precision and confidence in high-speed action, panning sequences, and challenging lighting conditions. The advantages of a stacked sensor go far beyond resolution. Traditional sensors read image data line by line, which can introduce latency and rolling shutter artifacts, especially noticeable when using an electronic shutter or tracking fast-moving subjects. A stacked design incorporates an internal memory layer, allowing data to be read out far faster. For the EOS R7 Mark II, this could translate to dramatically improved performance in action photography, smoother video capture, and a more predictable autofocus system that can follow complex subjects across the frame without hesitation. Autofocus is poised to see a major leap forward. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus has long been praised for accuracy, but moving subjects have occasionally exposed its limits. With a stacked sensor and faster readout speeds, the EOS R7 Mark II could anticipate movement more effectively, keeping focus locked on subjects even as they weave through obstacles, change direction abruptly, or overlap with other elements in the frame. For wildlife photographers tracking birds in flight or sports photographers capturing athletes in motion, this improvement could mean fewer missed shots and more reliable results. Essentially, the camera could feel like it has a professional focus puller built into its body, giving single shooters a new level of confidence. Video performance is another area where the EOS R7 Mark II could stand out. APS-C cameras have traditionally faced limits when it comes to long-form recording and rolling shutter performance, but a stacked sensor changes that. Oversampled 4K video could become more stable and detailed, with less rolling shutter distortion and improved motion handling. Extended recording sessions could be more feasible thanks to better heat management, while hybrid shooters, those who need both stills and video capabilities, would benefit from predictable performance in all scenarios. While it may not offer 8K video, the improvements to 4K alone could make the R7 Mark II a compelling tool for YouTubers, vloggers, and professional hybrid creators. The camera's ergonomics are rumored to remain largely unchanged, which is a smart move by Canon. The original R7 already provided a compact, well-balanced, and weather-sealed body that photographers loved. Incremental improvements, such as faster Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and better app integration, would streamline workflows without forcing photographers to adapt to an entirely new form factor. Combined with Canon's extensive RF lens lineup, the R7 Mark II begins to feel like a long-term investment, rather than a stopgap APS-C camera. Photographers and hybrid creators alike could rely on this system for years, whether shooting wildlife, events, or cinematic content. One of the most exciting aspects of the rumored EOS R7 Mark II is how it balances high-speed performance, resolution, and usability. Unlike some cameras that chase specs for marketing purposes, the R7 Mark II appears designed to solve real-world problems. Faster readout speeds improve burst shooting and reduce latency, while enhancing autofocus accuracy during unpredictable motion. Photographers tracking birds, athletes, or children at play could see a tangible difference in the consistency and sharpness of their shots. It's a camera that rewards skill, technique, and thoughtful lens choices rather than relying solely on its megapixel count. Video enhancements also make the R7 Mark II particularly compelling for hybrid shooters. Oversampled 4K captures sharper, more detailed footage, while faster sensor readout improves motion rendering and reduces artifacts. Extended takes become more reliable thanks to better thermal performance, while rolling shutter issues that plagued previous APS-C models could be significantly mitigated. These improvements don't just add to a spec sheet, they improve the real-world usability of the camera for creators who need both excellent stills and dependable video performance in one body. The EOS R7 Mark II also reflects Canon's long-term strategy for APS-C cameras. Alongside rumored entry-level models like the EOS R100V, which targets vloggers and solo creators with a vari-angle screen, the R7 Mark II is positioned as a high-performance option for serious photographers and hybrid shooters. Canon seems intent on providing a coherent APS-C ecosystem that offers meaningful upgrades for both professionals and beginners. The R7 Mark II could serve as the flagship for APS-C enthusiasts, proving that this format can deliver high-end performance, speed, and usability without compromise. The rumored 40-megapixel stacked sensor is central to this evolution. Not only does it increase resolution, but it also improves autofocus performance, rolling shutter handling, and burst reliability. For sports, wildlife, or other action-heavy scenarios, this could translate into more predictable results, reduced focus errors, and cleaner images overall. Combined with Canon's renowned color science, dynamic range, and image processing, the EOS R7 Mark II has the potential to deliver professional-grade output in a compact, versatile APS-C package. The camera's design philosophy emphasizes practical usability. Retaining the R7's balance in handling ensures that photographers won't have to relearn the ergonomics, while incremental upgrades, like improved connectivity and app support, make daily workflows smoother. Coupled with Canon's RF lens ecosystem, the EOS R7 Mark II could become a versatile, long-term investment capable of handling everything from high-speed sports photography to hybrid video work. What makes the EOS R7 Mark II particularly exciting is its ability to elevate APS-C beyond a budget-conscious alternative. By combining a high-resolution stacked sensor, improved autofocus, better rolling shutter performance, and hybrid video capabilities in a compact, ergonomic design, Canon could redefine the expectations for APS-C cameras. It would no longer be a smaller option but a deliberate choice for photographers who want precision, speed, and versatility without compromise. Ultimately, the EOS R7 Mark II represents thoughtful evolution. Rather than chasing gimmicks or pushing specs alone, Canon appears to be prioritizing real-world usability, reliability, and creative potential. With a 40-megapixel stacked sensor, enhanced autofocus, improved rolling shutter handling, faster readout, and hybrid video capabilities, the camera could raise APS-C photography to new heights. It's a tool designed to reward technique, lenses, and thoughtful shooting choices, making it a true contender in the modern APS-C landscape. For photographers and hybrid shooters seeking speed, resolution, and consistency in a single body, the EOS R7 Mark II could very well be the camera that finally fulfills the format's potential.